Never? How has he never smiled? I smile every day.
I think Mark is my soulmate.
Really? How do you know?
He smiled at me in math class and my count went up.
Oh, that's so cute. My soulmate has never smiled before.
Like, at all?
Not even once.
That's so weird.
Yeah, I know. Who would never smile?
Class, today we have a new student. You can go sit next to Bailey.
Hi.
Fuck off, I don't want to talk to you.
Excuse you?
I'm not interested in making friends.
Well, that sucks, because I want to talk to you. I'm Bailey.
That's a hideous name.
What's your name?
None of your business.
I'm not going to stop bothering you until you tell me.
Fine, it's Tate.
Tate. Okay.
You are so annoying.
I think we're going to be good friends, as long as you get that stick out of your ass.
Excuse you?
Good morning, Tate.
God, you're still here?
You're still in a bad mood? Lighten up a little.
No, it costs nothing to be a bitch. Being happy is a scam.
That is not true. I am so happy and I love it.
You should smile less. Your teeth are ugly. You should also stop bleaching your hair. It looks dead.
And your eyes are far apart.
What? That's not true.
Do you ever smile?
Nope.
Not even a grin?
I prefer a frown.
Are you like a psychopath or something who doesn't smile?
Psychopaths, like me. Do you enjoy being irritating?
Oh, please. You love me.
I love when you don't speak.
Nah, we're best friends, right?
If it means you'll stop talking, then yes.
You just need to do something that'll make you happy. Is there anything you can think of?
No, nothing makes me happy, and can you stop trying?
Hey, bestie.
Of course you're that girl with the coffee.
I like coffee. Leave me alone.
You don't need any more energy.
You know, you can't just be miserable for like the rest of your life.
Actually, I can, and I fully intend to be.
You know what you should do?
What?
Smile.
Not happening.
Is it because you have shark teeth? Is that why you won't smile?
No, my teeth are better than yours.
Yeah, I bet.
Class, you need to pick partners for the upcoming assignment. Don't look at me like that.
Be my partner.
No.
Why not? It's not like you have anyone else to be partners with.
Fine, whatever.
Yay!
So, you're doing all the work?
No, fuck you think this is. I'm not doing all of the work.
Well, I'm not doing it.
Okay, then I guess we're both failing.
God, okay, I'll do it.
Why are you so mean?
Because happiness leads to heartbreak. I don't need that.
Morning.
Why are you so fancy?
You think I look good today?
No, that's not what I said.
No, but that's what you meant.
In your dreams.
Does this mean you're gonna be nice today?
No, fuck you.
So for the project, I was thinking that you could do the introduction.
That's the worst part.
Because I'm terrible at them, please.
Fine, only because I know you're dumb.
Yay!
Just because you're blonde doesn't mean you actually have to be dumb.
I hate you.
No, you don't. Why are you looking at me like that?
Because
Don't you dare.
I want you to smile.
I told you no. Are you ever gonna give up?
Nope, I'm a Leo. We're really persistent.
You are the most basic bitch I have ever met.
You're probably a Gemini.
Your hair looks a little less dead today.
Why do you have to make everything backhanded?
Tate, my baby.
Who is that?
Oh no.
Tate, who is that?
I'm his girlfriend. Ex-girlfriend.
I thought you didn't know anyone at this school. You just got here.
I didn't know that she went here.
Oh.
I want Tate to be my partner for the project. He loves me.
Tate is already my partner for the project.
Do I know you? He's mine, bitch. Miranda, I told you I don't... Oh, Tate, come on.
Listen, I don't know who the fuck you think you are, but this is my friend, and I'll be damned if you're gonna steal him away from me. So you can go now. Bye.
I have never seen you act like that.
I gotta protect my friends. She was being crazy.
Well, thank you.
Was that a grin?
No, I had to sneeze.
You'll smile eventually. Trust me. I'm very convincing.
You're also very irritating. Even though I'm mean, I am glad that you befriended me.
Morning, bestie.
Oh, good. You've moved from coffee to Red Bull now?
Just because you hate yourself doesn't mean you have to take it out on other people.
I don't hate myself, I hate you. I kind of like your necklace today.
Oh, you do? Thanks. My boyfriend gave it to me.
Your boyfriend? I didn't know you had a boyfriend.
Tate, relax. I don't have a boyfriend.
Oh, good.
Why? Were you worried that I do?
No, definitely not.
Okay.
What's your type?
Why?
No reason, I'm just wondering.
Not you.
That was kind of rude. You know what, it doesn't matter. I'm not into fake blondes anyway.
Good, because I'm not into boys who look like they came out of fishtails.
What? I do not.
Boo-hoo, bitch. You see this? You should do that.
Nope.
Ugh, you're such a misery gust.
I am not. I just don't like smiling around pretty girls.
What? Did you just call me pretty?
No, you must have heard me wrong.
Right? Yeah, no, I didn't hear anything.
Okay, good.
How tall are you?
5'10" and a half.
5'10" and a half? Okay, so you're 5'9".
What? No, I'm not. I'm 5'10".
That's what they all say.
You have no room to talk about my height when you're literally 4'11".
I am 5'3", thank you very much.
My 12-year-old sister is taller than you.
Is today the day you smile?
Absolutely not.
No? Yeah, didn't think so. You strike me as a simp.
Oh, I am not a simp.
Oh, you're not? Really?
Stop looking at me like that. I'm not, I swear.
If it makes you feel any better about your little accident, I do think you're kind of cute.
Wait, are you serious?
No, I was just kidding. You're actually really hideous.
Dude, you are so annoying. Why did you have to get my hopes up like that?
Morning!
Fuck off, Bailey.
Wow, I didn't think it was possible for your mood to be worse.
I don't want to talk to you. Go away.
What is your issue? I thought we were making progress.
There is no issue. I just do not want to talk to you.
Tell me what's wrong.
No, not happening.
Oh, come on, Tate. I'm your only friend.
Doesn't matter. I'm not telling you.
We've been through this. You know I'm not going to stop until you tell me.
Fine. I have feelings for someone.
Okay, but why would that make you mad?
Because I don't like having emotions.
Well, who is it?
I can't tell you that.
Fine. I won't bother you anymore about it.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
You're not interested?
No, I don't even want to know anymore. It's okay.
Well, I couldn't tell you because it's you.
What?
I'm sorry, I know we're supposed to be just friends, but I don't know. Well, do you have feelings for me too?
I'm not sure.
What do you mean you're not sure?
Well, I don't really know, anything about you.
Let me take you on a date then.
A date?
So you can learn more about me.
I was right.
About what?
You're definitely a simp.
Say that again and I'll take back my date offer. So, what's your answer?
Fine, but I still think you're ugly.
Well, good, because I think you're ugly too. We'll have a table for two. Are you ready?
I guess.
Why did you decide to befriend me?
I don't know, I'm up for a challenge. Sad people are the most fun sometimes.
What? I am not a sad person.
Right.
You are so annoying.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Like what?
I don't know, you look happy.
I don't know, maybe I am.
My soulmate smiled.
And why is that a big deal?
Yeah, well, his count was stuck at 0 for a really long time.
Oh, that's weird.
Right? That's what I said. Has your soulmate ever smiled?
Yeah, lots of times. I gotta go.
Go where? We're in the middle of it.
Okay, bye. So, how was your date with Tate?
Well, it was going great. Then I asked him about his soulmate, and he ran.
What do you mean he ran?
Yeah, no, he literally got up and left.
Well, that's kind of rude. Well, there he is.
Tate, come sit.
No.
And men say we're difficult. I don't understand him.
You always pick the hard ones.
Tate, wait.
What? What do you want?
Why are you avoiding me?
I'm not avoiding you.
Okay, well, did I do something wrong?
No, I think you're my soulmate.
Your soulmate? Why do you think I'm your soulmate?
Okay, do me a favor and smile. Yeah, my count went up.
And you're just telling me this now?
Well, I wasn't sure if it was actually you. I've never felt this way about anyone, and I didn't know what to do.
You are such an ass.
What? Why am I an ass?
For not telling me. How was I supposed to know it was you? You never smiled.
Do you know anyone else who's never smiled?
How do we find out if we're right or not?
You guys have to kiss.
We have to what?
Oh, I'm down for a kiss.
Of course you are.
Okay, so pucker up.
No, this is not the appropriate time for a first kiss.
Well, when would be the appropriate time?
I guess we have to wait.
I want to know now. I don't know how we're just piecing this together.
You stress me out.
No way, I do not stress you out.
Yeah, you do.
Tate, I'm your soulmate.
What? Who the fuck are you?
I'm Tate's soulmate. Who are you?
No, I'm his soulmate.
Right, he would never like someone like you.
What?
I mean, come on, Tate, she's clearly lying about her count.
I am not lying about my counter.
She probably has way more smiles.
It went up once when he smiled.
Tate has never smiled before. Just don't listen to her, she's a liar.
Tate, you don't believe her, right?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
Well, we never confirmed if we're soulmates. I know how we can solve this.
And what would that be?
You both have to kiss me.
Here you go with the kissing again.
I'll kiss him. Oh, sweet.
Tate, you are not kissing her.
What? Why not?
Because I told you no.
And why should I listen to you? You never even told me if you like me or not.
I do like you. You know what? Actually, just kiss her.
What? You just said you didn't want me to.
Yeah, I changed my mind. Go right ahead. I don't care.
You are so confusing, but okay. Yay! Come here, Tate. Ew, your breath tastes like a fish.
Tate, that's rude.
Sorry, it's the truth.
So?
It didn't say soulmate found.
Exactly what I thought. Who's the liar now? Bitch.
You are so mean.
Okay, bye, fish breath. I cannot believe you.
What did I do?
Why would you even consider that in the first place?
I just wanted to make you mad. Does this mean I get a kiss now?
Not unless you smile.
Not happening.
Okay, then you're not getting a kiss.
Ugh.
Oh.
Boo-hoo. Actually, I'll smile. Just once.
Wait, what?
Look at your count. I bet it went up, didn't it?
Oh.
I smiled, so are you gonna kiss me now?
No.
What? We had a deal.
Well, I didn't think you were actually going to smile.
But I did, so kiss me. Don't you want to find out?
I mean, we can kind of already tell that we're soulmates. Do we really need to confirm it?
Yes. Why are you being so panicky?
I'm not being panicked. I'm fine.
I'm fine is never fine.
Can't we just wait?
No, we had a deal. Please, just one a peck.
Okay, fine, but...
Bailey!
Max! Oh my god, hey!
Who is that?
He's my ex.
And you guys are still friends?
Yeah, what? Are you intimidated?
By the giant 6'5" football player? No, not at all.
Right. So, Max, have you found your soulmate yet?
No, that's why I'm here. I was kind of hoping it was you.
Oh. Good morning. Oh, Max, you're in Tate's seat.
Oh, he wouldn't care, right? He can just sit somewhere else.
Yeah, I'm sure he wouldn't mind.
Oh, hey, Tate. Get the fuck up. You're in my seat.
Tate, jeez, calm down.
No, I'm not gonna calm down. He needs to get up.
No, you know what? You can sit over there.
Are you serious?
How's football been going?
It's good. I played football once. Yeah, it's good.
Great.
Bailey, can I talk to you for a second?
Sure, Tate. What's up?
Why are you being so flirty with him? He's your ex.
I'm not flirting with him. I haven't seen him in like 2 years.
He said he hoped you were his soulmate.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean anything. You've had 2 girls proclaim their love for you.
Yeah, but neither of them looked like that.
Whatever. Good morning, Max. You're still in Tate's seat.
Yeah, is that a problem?
Yeah, no, it's no problem at all. I don't even see him yet.
Okay, class, we need to get started today. Looks like your little lover boy isn't here.
Yeah, guess he's not coming.
I don't know why you like him anyways.
What do you mean?
He has a terrible personality. Like, come on.
No, he's nice. He just has his issues. We all do.
Yeah, but he's got some serious ones.
You know, he's my friend, right? You can't just be saying that about him around me.
You should find better friends. Like me.
You really got a big head, don't ya?
Excuse me? Dude, he's literally 5'9".
So?
You can do way better.
You know, I remember why I broke up with you now.
And why is that?
You're kind of a dick.
Excuse you?
Yeah, get up and sit somewhere else. Oh, neither of them are here. Cool.
Bailey, where's Tate?
I don't know. He wasn't in class yesterday, and he's not here today.
Did you do something to upset him?
I mean, I don't think so.
Maybe you should apologize to him. Please open your books to page 90. Tate, you're late.
Tate,
I'm only sitting here because it's the only seat open.
can I please just say one thing?
Okay, but make it quick.
Fine. I wanted to say that I'm sorry.
Oh, for what?
For talking to Max in front of you. I knew it would make you mad.
You're lucky you're pretty. I can't stay mad at you. Where is he, anyway?
Don't worry about it. I got rid of him.
That's a little terrifying, but okay. Let me take you on another date. With no interruptions this time, I promise.
Of course.
Are you ready to see your mark?
Yes, yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Blue? What is blue?
I don't know what that means, but you should probably cover it.
Cover it.
Just do it, don't ask.
Okay, jeez. Well, how does it look?
It looks perfect. No one's gonna know.
Okay, good. Hey guys.
Oh, you don't have your mark either?
Oh, yeah, no mark yet.
Me either. I'm hoping for the
I
best.
hope I get gold too.
Mariella got gold.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I heard people have been getting random colors.
Other colors.
Yeah, like purple and blue.
Yeah, weird. Yeah, honestly, I just hope I get it.
Oh my god, he has a blue mark.
Blue? That's weird.
Blue means royalty.
What? Could you repeat that one more time?
A blue mark means royalty. My dad told me. Only a few people have them.
Right. Yeah.
Do you get it?
No, I understand.
There's only 2 blue marks this year, so I guess we found one.
What?
Girl, what is so hard to understand?
Why is there only 2?
One for a prince and one for a princess. What's wrong?
No, I'm good. I'm great.
I wonder who has the other one. I mean, we'll find out at the mark check.
The what check?
The mark check? That's today? What? Why are you so worried? You don't even have a mark yet.
I'm not worried. What would make you think that?
You were biting your nail.
I always do that.
Okay. Alright, you're all clear. Next.
Shit.
Okay, turn to the left. Right. You're good. Wait! Something's not right. You need to uncover your mark. Now. Well, show us the mark. It really is blue.
Why is mine blue?
Because you were chosen as royalty. Don't ask questions.
Okay, jeez.
If you had the blue mark, why did you cover it?
Because I didn't know what it meant.
Well, it doesn't matter now. We need to find your prince.
My prince? What?
He's your perfect match. The other blue mark. Ah, here he is. This is Lucas.
Hi.
You two will be the leaders for everyone.
Whoa, leaders? What?
You two are in charge.
I don't know a single thing about any of this, and you want me to lead people.
Yes. We have to let everyone in the school know.
But then all my friends are gonna know I lied.
That is not my problem. Let's go.
Whatever, fine.
Bailey, your mark. I can't believe you.
Amy, yours is purple. Why is Amy's mark purple?
It means she's your royal assistant.
But she hates me.
She's gonna have to learn to like you. Bailey, can I talk to you?
What's up, Lucas?
I need to tell you something.
Okay.
We need to get out of here, now.
What? But we're royals.
They're gonna try to control us in everything we do.
Are you serious?
Unfortunately, yes. You have to believe me.
No, I do believe you. I just don't want to leave my friends.
We don't have to leave them. We just have to leave the system. They can all come with us.
They can come with?
Of course.
Then yeah, let's do it.
Oh, and one more thing.
What's the catch?
We have to get married.
Married? Married? How would we even get married? We're 18. We can't...
Do you want to make this right or not?
Well, I do, but...
Then we have to get married.
Okay. So, what do we do?
We have to find a pass. What are you guys doing?
Nothing. No, we're just hanging out.
You guys also have the power to change anyone's mark.
We're in charge of everyone else's marks?
Correct.
Can I change my royal assistant then?
No, that one's permanent.
Great.
I want gold. I want gold. No, me.
I'm not doing it.
Can we have a chat?
What, Amy?
I don't care what my mark says. I'm not coming with you.
But you're my royal assistant. You can't not come with us.
I don't care. I don't like you and I don't forgive you.
Look, I'm sorry, but...
It doesn't matter. I'm not going. I don't get why you have to get married.
Because we have to be a queen and a king. Duh.
You stole Lucas from me.
No, it's just the...
Guys?
What?
Look.
What?
She has a blue mark too.
No. But I thought there were only 2 blue marks.
There are only 2 marks.
Well, then how does she have one?
There's no way she could.
I'm so confused.
Everyone, I have an announcement. Bailey's faking her mark.
What? No, I'm not.
She drew her mark on. I saw.
You're the faker.
No, I'm not.
What?
You all fell for her lies.
That's not true.
I watched her paint it on. It's true.
What? Amy?
See? I told you.
Lucas, you have to believe me.
I do, but I don't know what's happening. We have to test to see who has the real blue mark.
A test?
Both of you, come with us. Now. Listen, you little bitch. I don't know what you think you're doing, but I want the mark.
What? I don't even know who you are.
It's either you give me the mark, or I'll take it. Give me the blue mark.
I'm not giving you the mark.
Well, then you leave me no choice. We'll find out who has the real blue mark through the test.
Fine. I guess we'll see.
You need to change the color of Michelle's mark.
How am I supposed to do that when you never told us how?
I know how to do it.
Of course you do.
Because I have the mark. Just say their name and what color the mark should be.
Okay.
Michelle's mark is gold. Oh my god, that was me. I did it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Her mark is gold. She's the imposter.
I'm not the imposter. I don't even know what you're talking about.
Amy's mark is gold.
How did she do that?
Just like I told you, I'm real.
But I have the blue mark.
No, you don't. So you're gonna give it to me or what?
No. You're not getting the mark.
Aw, you're stubborn, huh?
Bitch.
Why is Orange peeking through her mark?
What?
That's not good.
Orange?
Bailey and Lucas, we need to get you guys out of here. Now.
What? Why?
Don't ask, let's go.
Okay, jeez. Can someone tell us what's going on?
Her mark is orange.
Yeah, I know, her mark is orange. What's the big deal?
Orange is evil and all-powerful.
What? Why do more and more marks keep appearing? I thought there were only a couple.
There's rare marks that only a few people have, and one of them is orange. She can change all marks except for blue. Blue has power over her.
That's why she was trying to take mine?
She wanted the power from you. What the? You guys don't need to worry. We'll get rid of her.
Get rid of her? What do you mean?
We can erase her mark for good.
This is all so confusing.
Miss me? You won't have that blue mark for much longer.
Now I know you can't actually take my mark.
No, I can't, but I can make myself purple.
What? No, don't do that.
Guess who's your assistant now?
Why would you make your mark purple?
Because you wouldn't give me blue, so I chose second best.
What am I supposed to do now?
She has too much power now. I don't know if we can fix it. You could possibly change her mark?
I can change her mark?
Technically, but we don't know what will...
Why didn't you tell me that sooner?
Because we don't know what will happen if you do change it.
It's worth a shot. Rebecca's mark is red.
Her mark, it's red.
It worked. I
Bailey.
can't believe it was that easy. I could have just
Bailey.
done that the entire time. I mean,
Bailey,
what?
your mark.
Why is it pink?
That's a good question.
Where's my blue mark? This is the
Wait.
disaster. I mean, how is my
Wait.
mark pink? It was
Bailey.
just blue.
Pink isn't a bad mark.
What?
You were given the rarest mark of them all. Pink is queen.
Queen? What am I supposed to do as queen?
You're in charge of everyone and every mark, so you pick.
Oh, great.
You need to choose someone to be your king.
Who am I supposed to pick as king?
Anyone, but whoever you choose, you're together, forever.
Will we stuck together forever?
You could choose Lucas.
I choose Lucas as king.
Whoa, my mark is green now. It really worked. Hey bitch, I'm back.
What are you doing here?
I've come for my rightful place as princess.
You have no power over either of us now. You're red.
That's funny because I faked being red. I'm still orange. And no one has the blue mark now.
You can't take the blue mark. I was the blue mark, so there's...
Too late. Look.
Oh my god.
Since you won't let me be queen, I'll make everyone red.
No! Oh my god. Everyone has the red mark.
What's the issue?
They're supposed to be gold for like balance or something. I don't know.
Well, it's too late now.
Ugh.
Perfect, but I'm not done yet.
Haven't you done enough damage?
Actually, no. Lucas, would you do the honors?
What?
Lucas has been working with me the whole time.
Lucas, how could you do that?
I'm sorry, she trapped me. And Lucas has power over you. The only thing left to do is to take your mark.
You're not getting away with this.
And you can't do anything about it.
Actually, there is something I can do.
And what is that?
I have the green mark.
I have never seen someone have two.
I have both of them?
I have nothing now.
I'm sorry, Lucas. You didn't leave me a choice. Everyone's marks are back to normal.
I've never seen anyone with two marks. I didn't even know that was possible.
Yeah, neither did I.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but we need to go, Bailey.
Go where?
We have to let everyone know about the marks.
Okay.
And that's what I see. Oh my god, your marks. Why does she have two?
Long story,
We need to get everything back to normal.
but I already changed all of the marks back.
That doesn't quite fix it.
Crap. I'll explain it to you guys when I have more time.
Hey, I've never seen anyone with the same mark as me. That's crazy.
His mark is green too.
How many are there?
I can't do this again. Do you know what that mark means?
No, I thought I was the only one with green.
Right.
My name's Adam.
Bailey.
Wait, I think I know what the mark means.
What do you mean?
We must be soulmates. Don't tell him. Tell me what.
That you're right. We are soulmates. Yep, that's what the mark means.
Wow, I didn't think I would ever find my soulmate.
Yeah, really exciting.
But that's not what... Okay. Bailey, could I talk to you for a second?
I'll be right back.
What are you doing?
What? You said not to tell him.
Yeah, but now he thinks you're his soulmate.
There's no problem with that, as long as he doesn't know what it actually means.
He's gonna find out eventually. What happens when he accidentally does something?
Then we just won't let him find out. Hey, we're back.
Oh good, look what I did.
What happened to her mark?
Isn't that cool? I changed the color of her mark.
Yeah, super cool. How did you change her mark color to gold?
I just said it was gold and there it was. Did you know that was possible?
No, I definitely didn't know you could do that. Don't do it again.
Why?
Just no reason.
Is something wrong? You seem nervous.
Why would you say that?
You're acting weird.
I am not acting weird. I'm just weird in general.
I mean, if you say so. What if I could change your mark?
No, don't do that.
Why not?
I like my watermelon marks. Don't change them.
But wouldn't it be cool to be famous?
No. No, it wouldn't.
You're sure you don't want me to change it?
I'm positive. I don't want to be famous. I'm fine being perfectly normal.
Okay. You're 100% sure.
I definitely do not want you to change my mark.
I think you do. Bailey's mark is gold.
No!
What? It didn't work.
Oh, thank God.
Why are you relieved? Didn't you want it?
No, I literally told you I didn't want the gold mark, and you did it anyway.
Why don't you want a gold mark?
Because my marks are better than the gold marks.
But I thought the green one means you're my soulmate.
Yeah, that's not what the green mark means.
But I thought you were my soulmate. Did you lie?
Yeah.
Well, what does the green mark really mean then?
It means king.
King? What are you talking about?
Yeah, some people got royal marks. It's a really long story that I do not feel like explaining.
So that's why no one else has a green one. Does that mean I'm all powerful?
Technically, I have most power.
Why?
Because I have gold. You can't have gold marks. I have gold marks.
I want all the power.
That's never gonna happen.
Can I talk to you
What's up?
He can't have the green mark. You need to change it now.
Change it, but
Anything, just not green. He doesn't know how to use it. Trust me, it's the right thing to do.
I know, but I feel like just take the mark away.
It's either that or it's everything. I want you to make this mark brown.
Brown, but I don't even know what brown means.
I'll tell you after. Just trust me.
I can't do it, Frank. Just do it.
Oh, you're back.
I'm sorry about this. I'm marked black.
No, it was supposed to be brown.
I did not mean to say that.
Is it not supposed to be black?
No, I meant brown.
What have you done? You gave me the power to take away marks.
My marks, this is
Can I just change it back to brown? You can only change a mark one time.
Why haven't you told me this?
How are we supposed to know you would mess up?
But who's gonna have the mark if I take it from him?
We don't. I know.
Lucas. What are you doing here?
I can help you guys, but you need to trust me.
I don't know if I can trust you after you're in cahoots with the crazy bitch.
I got rid of her. Just work with me here.
Fine.
Listen,
What?
you can't listen to them about the brown mark. They're trying to control you.
What's the brown mark?
Brown is every color together, including yours.
What?
You need to do it now.
Adam has no mark. Well, who has it now?
Bailey,
What?
you have it.
This is just getting completely out of hand now.
Girl, you're gonna end up with a rainbow on your face. You can't have 3 marks. This isn't gonna end well.
What are you talking about?
You have too much power and your body's not gonna be able to handle it. Are you okay?
No, I feel perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong.
Really? Because you look a little dissociated. Bailey, are you sure you're okay?
I'm perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong, I promise.
This isn't gonna work. You have to give up one of the marks.
Give it up to who?
Give Lucas the green back. It'll help you. I won't betray you again. I promise.
Fine, fine. I'll give it to Lucas then.
You trust me?
Yeah.
Just do it now.
Okay. Lucas has the green.
Bailey? Oh no, that's not good. Is she alive? So, is she good or... Oh shit, she's fine.
I'm good.
What just happened?
I don't know. I'm back now though, so it's fine.
So...
Right, yeah. Lucas has the green mark. It worked. Everything should be good now, right?
No.
What do you mean?
You still have the mark.
How do I still have the green one?
That's a good question. You still need to get rid of a mark.
Why? I feel a lot better now.
If you don't get rid of one, you might die.
Excuse me?
Listen, I can make you a deal.
What deal?
I can reset your marks back to normal.
Reset the marks, but then I'll be back to blue.
It's either blue or you die. I've given you the chance to change it back, but you have to decide what to do now.
Crap.
You have to make a decision, and quick. No! Why would you do that?
Because I remember what Lucas told me.
And what is that?
That you guys are trying to control me. And guess what? He was right.
We're not trying to control you. You're gonna die.
I'm not gonna die. You guys were just concerned that I would have too much power, and you didn't want me to.
That's not true. I can't believe you didn't listen to us. Have fun.
Right.
You don't know what you just got yourself into, little girl.
I'm never gonna give up the marks. I've worked for these, and they're mine.
Bailey, can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, sure, Lucas.
I have something to tell you.
Okay, shoot.
I know this is out of nowhere, but I'm in love with you.
You're what?
I just didn't know what to say because I didn't want to make it awkward between us, and you seem so happy with your marks, and I didn't want to end.
I love you too.
You do?
Where did all of this come from?
When they told us we'd be stuck together forever, I got a crush on you.
You were excited to spend forever with me?
Yeah, I wouldn't want to spend it with anyone else. Guys, we aren't done here yet. We still have
Actually, no, we are done here. I'm not listening to you guys anymore. At all.
No, we're trying to help you. I swear.
Just stop. It's not gonna work.
Fine, don't listen, but here she is. I'm Lucas's girlfriend.
Girlfriend? What is going on here?
We were trying to warn you about her.
Warn me about who?
Me, you stupid bitch. Get away from my man.
Lucas, who is she?
She's not my girlfriend. She's my ex, but she's crazy. No, we're still together and we will be forever. Get away from him. I have the gold mark, which is clearly better than yours, and I can fix this.
Right, like you have any power.
I do. My dad's in charge of the marks.